Hey Aquanuts, I have got 5 winter pool care tips for you. But first, I have a question for you. Would you like to get better at taking care of your own pool? Well, if so, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Now, tip number 1. Take your cleaners out of your pool, whether it is a robotic cleaner or a pressure side cleaner. Please take it out of the pool and store it in a nice dry place that it is not going to get damaged. If you have a booster pump, make sure that that stays off. If you have a manual timer, go ahead and pull the timer pins and just make sure that that pump stays off. Number 2, make sure that your primary circulating pump stays on when the air temperature drops below freezing. This is very important. If you have a variable speed pump, make sure that it is ramped up on the higher RPMs to keep the water circulating through your pool. Tip number 3. If you have a saltwater pool, your salt system does not produce chlorine in the wintertime. So unplug it, don't worry about it, and don't test for salt. I have had a lot of people the past couple of winters test for salt during the wintertime, see that it's reading low, and they add a bunch of salt. Your salt test does not produce accurate results when the water temperature is below 55. And when the spring came and that water got above 55, those people had salt levels way too high and they had to drain some water out of the pool. Tip number 4, if you have a safety cover on your pool and your system is not winterized, meaning your pump and filter are still running, make sure that you have enough water in your pool so that your pump doesn't run dry. That means take a peek under that cover every now and then to make sure that your water level is at the proper level. And tip number 5, yes, you still do need to test your water during the winter time. You do want to make sure that all of your levels, except for salt, stays pretty much where they need to. It's a lot easier to take care of your pool during the winter time as far as chemicals go because you don't have a lot of things that are eating up your chlorine, but you do need to keep an eye on it. And that's it for the 5 tips for taking care of your pool during the winter time. If this has been helpful to you, please hit that like button, subscribe, share, all of that good stuff, and I'll see you next time.